Structure of a function. There are two main parts of a function. One is function header, another one is function body. Now, function header. Here is an example. Return type, then function name in bracket, parameter list, then in parenthesis function body, return statement. In the first line of this code, it has three main parts. First one is name of the function, then the parameter of the function enclosed in parenthesis, then return value type. Function body. Here in this example, whatever is written in parenthesis is the body of the function. Now we will discuss about function prototype or function declaration. A function prototype or function declaration is made by declaring the return type of the function, name of the function, and the data type of the parameters of a function. A function declaration is same as the declaration of the variable. The function declaration is always terminated by a semicolon. A call to a function cannot be made unless it is declared. The general form of the declaration of a function is return type, function name, and in bracket parameter list, then semicolon. Example: int factorial in bracket int n1 comma float f1 semicolon. The variable's name need not be same as the variables of parameter list of the function. Another method can be int factorial in bracket int comma float semicolon. In function declaration, variables are optional but data types are necessary. Now we will see a program to swap two numbers with the use of function. So first hash include stdio.h, then from here function declaration will start void swap in bracket int star x comma int star y semicolon void main, then the body of the function will start from here int x equal to 10 y equal to 20, then printf x comma y before swapping slash n in quotation. Next line printf x equal to %d slash n comma x, then next line printf y equal to %d slash n comma y semicolon. Now we will write the swap function. Swap in bracket and x comma and y semicolon printf x comma y after swapping slash n printf x equal to %d slash n comma x. %d we are using because the value of x is a decimal value. Printf y equal to %d slash n comma y semicolon close parenthesis. Now function implementation. Void swap in bracket int star x comma int star y open parenthesis int temp equal to star x semicolon star x equal to star y semicolon star y equal to temp semicolon. Here we are having two variables, first x and y, but for swapping these two values we are using another variable called temp. So in the first line temp equal to star x, which means the value of x is 10, which is equal to temp. Now the value of temp is 10. In next line star x equal to star y, the value of y is 20, and now the x value is equal to the value of y, which means the value of x is now 20. On last line, star y equal to temp, which means the value of temp is y, and now the value of y is equal to the value of temp, which means the value of y is 10. Have a look on output x comma y before swapping. X equal to 10, y equal to 20. X comma y after swapping. X equal to 20, y equal to 10. So guys, that's all for this video. In next video, I will discuss about scope rules in C programming. Thanks for watching guys.